Hi everyone, this is ESHAN Gujar from Section 9. My roll number is 21MA10022 and this is my submission video for the third DIY assignment. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the disassembly and reassembly of this mixer grinder along with explaining its major components and their working. Before disassembling this appliance, let us check that if this appliance works or not. So I have connected this white wire to the main supply and now I have pushed this rotor. As you can see, the appliance is in working condition. Now let us move ahead and disassemble this appliance. So this is the bottom panel of the appliance. So let's remove these screws in order to remove this. So as you can see, we have removed the screws of the bottom panel of this appliance, and now we can take this out. So after opening up, this is what the inside of the mixer grinder looks like. This, as you can see, is the main voltage, which consists of 3 wires. This is the phase wire, this is the neutral wire, and this is the earth wire, and this is the neutral wire. The neutral wire is connected to a device what is called as the circuit breaker, whose other terminal is connected to this device, which is known as the motor. Let's take a look at the circuit breaker. The use of the circuit breaker is used in conditions wherein a very high current is passed in the circuit. What happens is this circuit breaker breaks the circuit, and thereby it saves us from the damage, and it also saves the appliance from the damage. If this was not present, the high current allowed in the circuit would have caused damage to the appliance as well as the user. So this is used as a safety measure. This is the LED indicator whose red wire is connected to the circuit breaker, and this LED indicator, it shows light when a condition of this sort happens. So let's take a look at this motor, and this right here, the green wire from the main supply is connected to the motor, while the red wire from the main supply is connected to this device. This is a speed regulator, or technically it is also known as the rotatory switch. Sorry, this is known as a rotatory switch. As you can see, this has like 5 pins which are responsible for 5 different modes of speed inside this mixer grinder. That includes stopping and the 3 other modes as well. So most of its wires are connected to the motor. So this actually is the motor. As you can see, the wires are connected to 2 carbon brushes, and beyond these carbon brushes, as you can see, the golden structure, what looks like golden is the copper coils. So exactly, this is a coil, and beyond the coil is 2 structures. One of them is known as a commutator, and the commutator is joined to a structure known as the armature. So commutator and armature both combined are responsible for rotating. So when you pass, so as you know, motor converts the electrical energy into the mechanical energy, which is used as rotation. So when current is passed in the circuit, the current is passed to the copper coils, and as we know by magnetic properties, magnetic field is generated inside this part, due to which magnetic torque is applied on the commutator and the armature, due to which they rotate. And this rotating part is applied to the upper fan, which you see at the upper surface of the mixer grinder, the white surface to which you apply the vessel. And when you turn off when you turn on the knob, the fan blows. So yeah, this is the main circuit of the mixer grinder. So consisting of what this is made of, most of this is made of aluminum, and inside plastic is applied. The reason behind it is to prevent the occurring of eddy currents, to minimize the occurring of eddy currents. And aluminum is used just because it is a metal. And yeah, these are the carbon brushes, and the copper coil is attached. This completes the whole circuit. Now let's start assembling of this device. So now let's put this panel back on. So finally, we have again reassembled this mixer grinder appliance. So now we have connected it to the main supply, and now let's see if it is working or not. say yes, the appliance is still working and our demonstration was successful. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching.